2 babies, 1 free hand, 3 a.m. Watch how twin parents log a feed. Pick her twin brother from the row. 1 tap and both feeds start together. She gets the left side, he gets the right. The app picked that for you. And when one baby finishes first, you stop just that one. No other baby app does this. This is TwinsTracker. TwinsTracker is a tracker built for twin families and for any home with more than one little one, a nanny with 3 kids in her care, or twins plus a younger sibling. Every child gets their own colour and you pick who tracks together. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to set it up, track sleep and feeds for both babies at once, log diapers with 1 tap, and share everything with your partner without creating an account. Let's go. Setup is 1 screen. Type each child's name, pick the month and year they were born. And that's it. 2 babies, 3, 4, tap, add another for each one. No exact birth date, no email, no account. Everything stays on your phone. This is the sleep screen. 1 big button, start sleep. But here's the twin magic. In the row of names, tap the child who's going down at the same time. Emma and Liam nap together, so tap Liam, start sleep, and 1 tap starts both timers. Mia and Oliver, they just stay out of it. When Emma wakes up early, and she will, you stop only Emma. Liam keeps sleeping, and his timer keeps running. Between naps, the app shows how long your baby has been awake, with an age-based wake window, so you know when the next nap is coming. Feeding has 3 modes. Breastfeeding, pick a side, and next time the app suggests the opposite one, so you never have to remember. In Tandem, each baby gets their own side, tap to swap. Bottles, log the time and amount, for 1 child or several at once. And if you pump, track your milk stash, fridge or freezer with expiry dates. Diapers are the fastest thing in the app. Wet, dirty, or both. 1 tap, done. No form, no timestamps to fill in. The counter shows today's total, exactly what the paediatrician asks about in the first weeks. And this is where it all comes together. The overview puts every child on 1 24-hour timeline, 1 lane per child up to 4. In 2 seconds you can answer who's asleep, who's been awake too long, and how far apart their rhythms have drifted. Below, today's milk totals, sleep compared to the recommended range for their age, and a weekly pattern that shows the rhythm building. In the children's section, you can log weight, just the date and grams, and the app calculates the gain since last time. The kids sit side by side, ready to show at the checkup. No percentiles, no judgment, just your numbers. And sharing, 1 code connects your partner, a grandparent or a babysitter. Same data, live, on any device. Nobody else needs to buy anything. TwinsTracker works without an account. Your data lives on your phone, and there are no ads. 1 purchase covers the whole household, no subscription ever. Get it at twinstracker.app. The link is below. From one twin parent's chaos to another, I hope it buys you some calm. One more thing. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe to Raising World Kids for more calm, practical parenting videos, and you'll find more handy apps at raisingsmall.com.